Let's continue. The one with lowest resistance is the one with the highest current. That means that this is the higher current. The L4 should have the lowest resistance. Question 13. Diagram shows a lamp connected, potentials difference 3.5 when 60 coulomb of charges flow through the amount of energy. Calculate the EMF of the cell. Now, what formula to use? Okay, to find the electromotive force, we use this formula. Okay, energy conversion provided by the cell divided by the charged. So the answer is 210 divided by 60. Answer is 3.5 volts. The electromotive force of the cell. Next, a piece of wire, cross-sectional, which one has twice the resistance? When you see this kind of question, it's always this. So this one is talking about same material, so we ignore this. Twice the resistance, where you compare with the length and cross-sectional area. Now let's try this. When the length increased, the R will increase, but when the area gets smaller, your R will increase. R increase when the area is smaller. So twice of it. Let's try this. I need to find something that the length increase, but the length increase, but either the area is smaller or no change. I think the answer, if I'm not wrong, I guess is this is 0.6 meter. If I increase the length by doubled, by right, the resistance should also doubled by 2, and this no change remain as it is. Why I don't choose this? Because if this increase but area becomes bigger, when my area becomes bigger, like water current flowing is easier, my resistance will decrease, and I will decrease by double. So with one increase, one decrease, it will become no change. So this remains the same. Just increase the length by double will double my resistance. So answer is C. Now 15. 3 identical bulbs connected in a circuit. Which of the bulbs will light up when the switch is closed? When the switch is closed, which of the bulbs will light up? Positive. This will light up. Then after that, I think this will come here in 3. 1 and 3. Why no 2? This will be short circuit. Remember, this one has the least resistance. It's only a wire. The current will choose the path with the least resistance. So it will only go by this pathway and not split to here instead. Alright, so the answer should be 1 and 3. 16. Shows ammeter 3 resistor, ammeter reading is 6 ampere here. What is the EMF of the cell? Now what's the voltage of the cell? In order to find here, you have to find the total resistance. Let's find here first. This is 1. Okay, even you reverse it, it's still 1. 1 in series with this is 5 ohms. Okay, so V equals to IR, E6 times total, alright, is 30 volts. So answer is D. Okay. Question 17. Shows a constant voltage source, 3 resistor, and movable M. When M is connected, ammeter reading is 0.6. Okay, which of the following sets give the correct ammeter reading is transferred from Y then to Z? It says if it's X, this is 0.6. When there's more resistance, 30 resistance. Now, the best way of finding is you find what is the V. V equals to IR first. Okay, here 0.6 times 10 will be 6 volts. When you put here is 30, so here will become 6 volt equals to 0.6. So what would the current be? The resistance, EMF is the same, the current will change, and then with the T, here the current will become 6 divided by 30.2. Okay, if you put here is 0.2, here will become 6 equals to I 3456. I equals to be 0.1. So answer is D. Alright, is to test your understanding of putting the resistor in series. You just add them together. Now, many electrical appliances have metal casing. To prevent the case of becoming live is attached to the metal case. How does the earth wire prevent electric shock? The answer is here. It allows this current to flow directly to the earth when there's electric shock. 19 and 20. If there's an electric current in circuit in the house, the switch is always connected to the live wire. Why is this so? Because the device can only be isolated from. Okay, no current ever flows in neutral LED of device. The device will be shorted if no. Okay, so the answer is B. 20. What happens when the is connected? Now, power equals to VI 2500 250 I will be 2500 divided 250 10 ampere. So if you fitted this, every time it enters the appliance, it will burn, it will fuse. So even before you can use it, it will fuse because the fuse is too low. You should choose something that's slightly higher than 10 ampere. Okay.